9. 우리가 막혀도 하나. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11.
There's no 11, there's only 10.
Higher, stronger, go! Down to one more, go! Emily, hit! The other way, much higher than right side. Go! Begin ten, follow the focus, ready, go! Even higher, go! Last one, show your best action, go!
Okay, today we have two bells in the bell test. Right? For high blue bell and then purple bell. You're gonna do high blue bell testing first. If you are purple bell, please sit by the leader. Feel? Don't play with the bands. Beat! Hands on your shoulder, low blow. 1! Kick double punch. 3! Punch hand down, other hand shoulder, step back. 3! Look straight, guy out, kick double punch. 4! Punch your hand, same hand behind your head, other hand straight. Sharp turn. Good, Molly. Step forward. 3! Cross your hand, make a letter L shape. Back stance, knife hand. Look at the mirror. Kaya, look straight. Punch. Okay, look this each please for me. Have a belt set on your chest. Other hand cross. Knife at the other side. Body switch hand. Punch. Alex, switch foot. Alex, need more practice. Everybody, 바로. 차렷. 박세 감사합니다.
갑니다.
Very good. Please go back. Okay, this time first line only. Alex, Maxwell, Molly, Isaac only. Ready? Look straight. Go. Okay, stay. Second line. Ready? Go. Okay, last line. Go. Okay, everybody go back to your spot and switch foot, please. Okay, especially when you back kick. Have you heard that turn, loop, kick? Do you remember that? So you have to turn and then look at the front and then kick with a balance. If you miss the one thing, then you're gonna lose your balance and then you cannot kick it correctly. Make sure turn, balance, loop, and kick. Ready? On my count, round and ski. 1. Turn and loop. 2. Step forward, turn and loop. If you feel stable, and then you are ready for a kick. Yes, turn and loop. Go! Yes, sir. Come back. See? Turn and loop. Then very stable. Everybody, am I right? Then trying to kick. Ready? On your arm. Ready? Jared, your stance is way too big. Would you like to make it a little smaller? Yes, sir. That means more better. Ready? Go! Okay, come back.
Okay, let's do line by line. First line, show me you are kicking. Ready?